Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here with a big box of mystery clothing. I'm so glad that you joined me today to see what is in my latest mystery box. Guys, I purchased this box from an Instagram seller. The way I found this box is I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw a post by another Instagrammer that had purchased from this seller, and the brands intrigued me. Really, really great brands. So I did inquire and I got in touch with the seller who has a Poshmark closet, but she sold everything in her Poshmark closet. Can you imagine? Now, I think that is intentional. I did reach out to the seller and I asked about the mystery boxes, and she let me know that she has no room to store inventory, but she loves to thrift. So the idea behind this box is it's almost like I had a personal thrifter, a personal shopper that went shopping. I did give her some ideas about the things that I like to sell. I like larger sizes, but pretty much I was open. Now, the cost of this box was $60. It's a 5-pound box, and I mean, it is every bit of the 5 pounds. It is full. It's a big box. If you have been following me, you know that my state and my county have been on a temporary reset. There was a big shutdown. Everything closed in my state again. Now, I was a little bit prepared for that. I did do a really large bins haul, and I do have some inventory, but guys, I kind of freaked out. I wanted to make sure no one knows when this is going to end. So I am constantly looking for good ways to source inventory. So let's see if this is a good way. Let me open this up. I paid $60 for this box, and I paid $10 shipping for this box. One of the things that I have been doing when I purchase a mystery box is I like to look at the seller's Poshmark closet just to see the types of items that the seller sells. Now, this seller did not have anything for sale in her Poshmark closet, but I was able to go and look at her sold listings, and she has very good taste. In my opinion, all of the brands that she sells in her closet are brands that I would like to sell. Now, you have to be careful with that because I imagine that most sellers that are selling mystery boxes are still keeping the best stuff for themselves, but this seller, like I said, is no longer selling on Poshmark. The best I could tell, I really don't know her story, but this is what the inside of the box looks like. So there's a pretty print on top, but I mean, it is full to the top. Okay, how do I start? Let's just start on the top. Okay, the first item is this black dress. This is what I think. This is a dress. This is what it looks like. This is in really nice shape. It looks like this. There's smocking. The whole bodice and body is smocking, and then a lined. Yeah, this is lined. Who are you? That's the important question. Who is this? This piece is Free People. What size are you? Free People, size large. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're off to a good start. So Free People, size large. I've got to find a place to put everything. There's a lot of stuff here, guys. Next up is something in a really pretty teal green. This is by Chaser. This is nice. Oh, okay. I'll want to keep this for myself. Extra large. Does this have my name on it? This is nice. It's almost like a waffle knit thermal. It does have button cuffs on it. Sweet. This is really nice. It does have Goodwill tags on it, so I will have to pop tags on these, but at first impression, everything looks like it's in really good shape so far. Lily Pulitzer? What? I think this is silk too. This is gorgeous. Lily Pulitzer, size large. Now, this is a solid print. Let's see if it is silk. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's 100% silk. Oh my gosh. Feels like my birthday. Oh, and speaking of birthdays, you guys know my birthday's coming up. I want to give a big shout out. Happy birthday to Susan. If your birthday is in December, please let me know in the comments below, because I know December babies get robbed, don't we? So I'm going to shout out every single December birthday. But first off, I want to say happy birthday to my friend Susan. You know who you are, Susan. Guys, show Susan some love in the comments. But yes, this is, I feel like like it's my birthday. This is an awesome box. Okay, next up, Aloe. Oh my gosh, Aloe leggings. Look how cool these are. Okay, these are like a biker short almost on top, and then this is more of like a cotton fabric on the bottom. And what size are you? Size large. Oh my gosh. Okay, these do need to be washed, but did I show you the brand there? Aloe. Nice, very nice. And I am going to drop a bunch of activewear in my closet very soon. I'm getting prepared for New Year's resolutions. And okay, next up we have a really pretty print. And who are you? Kimchi Blue. So this is Urban Outfitters, and this one looks a little bit smaller. This is a size 6, and it is a dress. So this is cute. This probably won't sell until springtime, but really cute dress. Next up, this feels perfect for right now. This is a green velvet blazer. So nice. This is Talbot, size 16W, new with tags, guys. New with tags. What does it say? I saw some red writing there. Okay, it did go on sale for $129 and then down to $49.99. Talbot's plus size velvet blazer. Perfect for the current season. I've got to get that listed. You guys, there's shoes in here. Okay. Sorry. I'm a little bit happy about this one. Another Free People. Love the colors on this. This is Free People, and this is also a size large. Look at these sleeves. So fun. This almost looks, I don't know. I'm going to have to look for the stock photo. This is a dress, right? Is this a dress or a tunic top? Hard to tell. I'll look for a stock photo on this one, but really cute. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love shoes. Okay. First pair of shoes. Oh, these are nice. These are J. Crew. These are loafer. And this is what the bottom looks like. They are a gold shimmer loafer. It's not a horse bit, but a little bit up here. So these are leather. What size are you? I can't read the size. They look to be about a 7. Maybe they are an 8, but I don't have my spectacles on. But these look really nice. A little bit of wear on the toes. Yeah, some of the shimmer has come off the toes, but other than that, I mean, those soles look like brand new. And then next up we have Keen, and you guys know I love Keen. These are a big Keen too, which I like larger sizes in my closet. These are a size 42 or a US 11, and these are kind of a maroon color cap toe sneaker. In very good shape, really good shape. Oh my gosh, this girl is a pro. Next up, who are you? Stuart Weitzman. No way. No way. Okay, this is an all leather because that's Stuart Weitzman. Ankle booty. There's a hidden wedge in there, and they are an almond toe. Oh my gosh. Really, really nice. Size 7. Does it say who? No, it does not have a style name on it, but it looks like this. You have seen the comps before I've even researched them, but I'll tell you my first impressions. What do I think about this box? I think it's an A+. You guys know I get excited about clothing, but just seeing the brands and the current trends, and actually that jacket, that new with tags jacket that is current season right now, I need to get it listed. The shoes are dynamite. I'm very, very happy with all of the shoes. I feel like this is an A+ box. I feel like this is actually an experienced seller putting together a thoughtful box that will help other resellers to make money. That's my first impressions. I'm curious to know what you think about this box. I get lots of questions both here on YouTube and also on Instagram about mystery boxes. You guys know I make lots of videos about mystery boxes, and I have been very lucky. I have been able to get my money back on every single mystery box that I have ordered except one. And you know what? I'm not going to go into that. You can go back and watch my playlist, and I think you can figure out which one. I got ripped off. That's how I feel. I got ripped off. I did not express that in the video, but once I did the comps on all of the items, I was not able to make my money back. And I don't buy inventory for my Poshmark and eBay stores to make my money back. You guys hear me say that. I think it just comes out automatically. I buy inventory to profit. I'm not doing this just to keep myself busy. I am doing this to make money to help support my family. So I do appreciate getting a quality product that I am actually able to flip for profit. That's why I do it. Guys, make sure that you are subscribed because I have committed to sharing my monthly sales, a snapshot of my sales every month. And let's see if any of these 10 items show up in my December sales. What do you think? I think this is a pretty good box. If you want more information about this particular box, please DM me on Instagram. I don't have the seller's permission to give out her information, so I'm not going to do that publicly. But yeah, find me on Instagram and we can talk. And guys, make sure if you're a December birthday, leave it in the comments because we're going to celebrate. Yeah, we're going to celebrate this whole Vlogmas, all the December babies. Guys, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.